Hey guys, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do a herringbone half double crochet stitch. This is a really easy stitch variation that you can use to switch up the look of your crochet. So here I have a swatch of just some regular half double crochet, and here's a swatch of the herringbone half double crochet. If you know how to do a regular half double crochet, then you'll be able to do this variation. I'll have the instructions written out in the description below, so let's get started. So beginning with our base chain, you're going to chain however many that you like and then add 1. So I'm going to chain 15 and then add 1, so I'm going to do a base chain of 16. So here's my base chain. Now I'm going to yarn over and then insert my hook into the third chain from the hook. So counting back, that's the first chain, second chain, and third chain. I'm going to insert my hook into this third chain. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through, and then we're going to pull through the first loop that's on our hook. Now we have 2 loops left. I'm going to yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops. And there we've completed 1 herringbone half double crochet stitch. And that's it. Now I'll just repeat this for each chain until I reach the end of my row. So I'm going to yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through that first loop that's on my hook. Now I have 2 loops left, yarn over, and then pull through those last 2 loops. And that's how you do a herringbone half double crochet. So going over this again, we're going to yarn over, insert into our stitch, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through that first loop that's on our hook. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And now I'm just going to repeat until I reach the end of my row. Finishing up the last stitch. And there's my first row of herringbone half double crochet. You can see the slant that the stitch has taken on. So to do row 2, I'm going to chain 2, turn my work, and then repeat this stitch going straight across. So I'm going to yarn over, insert into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through the first loop that's on my hook. Two loops left, yarn over, and then pull through those last 2 loops. And just repeat going across your row. After a few rows, you'll really see the herringbone pattern come out. I hope you guys found this helpful, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.